friends, welcome back to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel, and we are learning a lesson from 5th standard science, and that is about the plants and environment. In last part of the video we have studied, we come to know some basic information about the plants, that is what are the various parts of the plants, what do we call the scientific study of the plant, and even we come to know how these plants play an important role in our life and for the life to exist on the planet. Now in this part of the video today we will be learning about what is mean by habitat. What is mean by habitat? So my dear friends, the place where a plant lives, that means the place, a natural place, we can also say the natural home of the plant, because there only they grow. As we stay at our home, these plants also they have the specific space, specific places where they grow. So whatever the places or the place where a plant lives or a plant grows, that place is called as the habitat. As you can see here in this picture, these plants they can grow in the deserts, these plants also can be grown on the mountains, the plants can be grown on the plains, the plants also can be grown in water. So at many different places these plants can be grown, and the places where these plants they grow or they lives, these places are called as the habitat. Let us see more about the habitat now. So what is a habitat? If we'll try to define habitat in the scientific way, we can say that the natural home or the environment, the natural environment of an animal or of the plant or of any other organism, that is called as the habitat. So what is the habitat? The natural home or the environment of an animal or the plant or any other organism, that is called as the habitat. We can also define habitat as habitat is the home of an animal or a plant. The natural home of a plant where it grows, that is called as the habitat. Now my dear friends, you will be surprised to know that almost every place on earth, means on every inch of the earth's surface, you will find out the plant. They grow everywhere, on every part of the earth these plants can be grown. So right from the hottest deserts of the earth, the plants they grow to the coldest ice places as well. So habitat, the two main types of the habitats are the land habitat and the water habitat. Habitat means what? The natural home of an plant where it grows. So that is the habitat. Now this habitat we can say is of two types. There are two main types of the habitats are there. Land habitat, because some plant they grows on land, and the water habitat is there. We also know that the plants like the lotus or water lily, they grows in water. So the habitat means the places where these plants they grow are of two types. One is the land habitat and second one is the water habitat. So these are the two main types of the habitat. The land habitat, the plant they grow on land, but your social studies teacher or in social science you may have learned that there are the various land forms are there, like the deserts are there, plains are there, mountains are there, coastal areas are there, marshy areas are there. So in all these places these plants they grow. So land habitats they includes the rainforests, deserts, plains, coastal areas, marshy areas, which can also be called as the swampy areas, and the mountains. Whereas the water habitat can be categorized or can be grouped as the freshwater habitat and the sea water habitat, that is the salty water habitat. Okay, so the land habitat includes the rainforest, deserts, plains, coastal areas, marshy areas and mountains, whereas water habitat it can be classified into the two categories, and these two categories of the water habitat are the freshwater habitat and sea water habitat. Now on the basis of the habitat, where do these plants they grow? The plants can be classified into two sections or into the two groups, and these two groups are, one is the terrestrial plants and second is the aquatic plants. So what are terrestrial plants and what are the aquatic plants? This part of the lesson we will see it in the next part of the video. Thank you so much.